Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Short video today. I want to give you my lesson how you can basically buy on deep plus my experience. When I'm buying on dips, I also do some verification first. Not every dip I'm buying, okay? So it will be a very interesting lesson how you can basically leverage my experience, and you know, let's go into it. So Ethereum Classic. So you see last days everything kind of green, everything good, and everyone may be thinking, oh, I missed the bottom, you know. I bought some Ethereum Classic. Actually, you know, I'm buying on dips. I don't care. For me, like $500, $1,000 once in a month, once in 2-3 months. You know, I'm buying. You know, Ethereum Classic is a beast, guys. Okay, we're gonna talk about this when it will be $1,000. So it's like $25. It's number 7. Okay, number 7. Actually, it may be number 5 even. Number 7, it's $3 billion. So you see, I understand why Ethereum Classic, because it is getting attention, first of all. Second, it is only one proof of work, okay, blockchain, which will be for smart contracts after Ethereum become proof of stake, okay? So only one, guys, okay? It will be no any else, okay? Let's say Zcash is for privacy, okay? Litecoin for payment, Ethereum Classic for smart contracts. And it's based on proof of work, which is very valuable, okay? So yes, I'm buying on deep. So let me show you, you know, how I'm buying on deep. So you see, this is a long term. If you watch my videos, you know, I was buying all these accumulations, these all accumulation zones. I was starting buying from somewhere here, from $5, you know, from $5, from $7. Then you watch my videos, Ethereum Classic, that just, you know, search my videos, silverGameOfThrone. Then $5, then $7, and many basically bought because of me. I know many people bought because I ring the bell. I told them, guys, you know, watch Ethereum Classic, and then, you know, all these levels. Then about $10, even $15 I am buying. All this, you know, all these levels I was buying, okay? I stopped buying after this, okay? Horizontal line, if I put like this level, okay? This level, I stopped buying, okay? When it reached, even on $20, I bought something, then I stopped buying because it was very, you know, very strong, you know, very strong uptrend, okay? And I say, okay, I'm done. I know after very strong uptrend, it will be some, you know, divergence. So it will be going down, okay? So this, I was not doing anything, okay? For this level, I was doing nothing, okay, literally. But last time I bought something, and I want to show you, you know, what I bought. Actually, you see here. So buy 45 Ethereum Classic from $22 I bought, and I pay $4 like a fee, and 4 days ago, okay? This, I just copy it from my account. You see, I bought on $1,000, I bought $4 ago. So $22. Let's look, you know, why Ethereum Classic, why silverGameOfThrone is buying Ethereum Classic on $22, okay? Let me mark it 1 hour, and let's make it bigger. Okay, 1 second. Let me make it bigger. What the heck is going on? I hate all these tools. You cannot move it. You cannot do much with them. You need your account, right? Once you have account, then they allow you to do a lot of things, but not when you don't have account. Okay, so this is what I marked. So you see here I marked 2 points, okay? This is 1, okay? This is where I bought. And this is 2, where I also suggest, you know, where people can buy, okay? 1, more risky, 2, less risky, okay? So let's look on both. Okay, so why I bought on this level? You see, 22. So as I said, I was buying all this level also. I was buying this deep, like around. When I see deeps, I'm buying, but I need confirmation. Okay, so we will talking about it. I was buying this deep a little bit, this deep a little bit. On this deep, I was buying 50 Ethereum, 45 Ethereum Classic, right? So why, you know, usually people do dollar cost average, but for smart apes like me, I just sharing with you. I am doing dollar cost average plus dips. Okay, this is the best strategy. But guys, it's for the new people. It's for people who has experience in all this, you know, markets. you know, dollar cost average means I am accumulating my cash. So I accumulated, let's say, $1,000 a couple of months. Now I want to invest. When I want to invest, I want to invest also on a dips, you understand? So it's two strategy together, okay? It's one of the best in 6-7 years, you know, I know it's the best. So why I bought here? So look here, look like here it's better price, but you never buy a falling knife. Never ever, guys. Why? Because see, it is so strong, you know, falling, right? 1, 2, you don't know. You don't know. Now you kind of smart, yeah, when you see the picture. But let's say up to here, you don't know. It may fail on another dip, on $10, on $8. So what's the point to buy it on 20, on $19 when it's falling? You need confirmation. So when I saw this and I saw boom, confirmation, I did nothing. I was waiting because after confirmation may go down. When I go this retracement, you see all these points, okay? So it came here, okay, then it start to recover, and then it fell 1, again it start to recover, and then 3 start to recover. And when I see a lot of confirmation, for this, in this case it was 1, 2, 3 confirmation, then I knew it's going to be good, okay? It doesn't matter for me here, like maybe I can buy a little bit cheaper, it's going to be good. So I put my order on $22. You see, $22, this is where I bought, okay? This is what I bought on $22, okay? I put my orders here. But I do not recommend to do this, okay? If you are new, you know, listen to second strategy. The second strategy is, because it's still risky, right? There is not much confirmation here. So the second strategy is to have a line, you see, of support, or support and resistance. You see, this is support from above, and this is resistance from below. When you have this line, you see, and you see this line in kind of what it start to build here, it start to build here this, you know, a scanning triangle. A scanning triangle, okay? When you start to see in this point, this scanning triangle was broken, you see? Oh, it was broken, boom, boom. This is time to buy, okay? So when you buy here, you may pay a little bit more. You see, $23, maybe $1 more. So for 50, if you don't classic, you pay maybe $50. But you have more confirmation and you sleep better. I'm telling you, okay? This is a little bit risky. It is just for me because I know this market. I know that it's gonna reverse, okay? And I know, and it, you know, it's like dollar cost average for me. But you know, I'm taking more risk, okay? If you want to take a more risk, you may use this strategy with small triangle. You see, it's a small triangle. It kind of, you know, it was broken up, and then, you know, you have enough confirmation, minimum 3, 4, and then you kind of more or less satisfied that probably this will be at the bottom of this, you know, of this trend, okay, and in this time. Guys, it doesn't matter, you know, you need always be ready, okay? And I told you, you need to always have a dry powder. It may go down again, then you again buy on a dip. But buying on dips is totally different than buying on tops, you understand? If you're buying top, in the end of the day, you will have less Ethereum Classic. If you're buying on dips, deep, you never know, maybe it's last time you see dip for $20, you understand? So you skip it and it go to $100. What you gonna do? Oh, kiss my ass, right? I missed it. So this is my strategy, just sharing with you. I am a little bit risky, okay? I always go into one, okay? Because I feel kind of, okay, you see one, and it didn't fail again, you see? Because usually when it start to rise, it may fail more, but it didn't fail more. It start to rise, you see? It start to rise, okay? For me, this was coming. You see, this was the one, and then it was the second dip, okay? And this was the third time dip. It start to rise, okay? But it was only 2 confirmations, so I took a risk, okay? Just sharing with you. 22, I took a risk, okay? A little bit risky, okay? I liked a little bit risky, but I suggest for a new people who don't know market, again, not your financial advisor, just sharing my strategy, okay? Have a lot of confirmation. You see, this is 4 days ago I bought, okay? Very risky area. It's almost on the you know, on the bottom, almost 22. But I suggest, you know, guys, just wait a little bit, maybe $1-2 more, but you have much more confirmation, okay? And you might, and when it breaks this, guys, it's like 70%, you know, it's not going to, because you see it break, confirm, and then start to rise, okay? So it much when you buy on these levels, you know, it's much better for you to buy on this level, because especially if you do short trades, you know, if you want to really do short trades, much better for you. Okay, I'm long, medium to long trade. Okay, I don't care where Ethereum Classic, maybe it will tomorrow will be 15 bucks, I'll buy another, you know, 50 bucks, another stash of Ethereum Classic on 50 bucks. I don't care, it's not for me. But for people who like, you know, a little bit on trading side, you know, this is the second strategy is much better than first strategy. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. Okay, and like, subscribe, hit notification, and tell me what do you think. You know, I think Bitcoin is, you know, it was a bottom for Bitcoin. If it will be not black swan, like around $30,000, you know, people will remember that it's coming back, guys, because it literally, it's very you know, limited asset, and with all this paper, how much they print the dollar, it's not going to be cheaper, you know. If someone thinks Bitcoin will be $5,000 again, you know, good luck. Okay, maybe $5 again it will be, you know, maybe, you know, with 0.00001%. Okay, but you know, I'm you know, kind of I am thinking, you know, that Bitcoin will be back. Okay, even this year Bitcoin will be back, especially when dollar will start crashing, because it's a dollar Bitcoin. You know, we will see much better number. Another thing, you know, I'm going to trade if Bitcoin start to be $100,000, $200,000, and everything will be collapsing. You know, what you gonna trade Bitcoin for? Dollar for what? And then what you buy? You know, if for example, today real estate costs $300 single house, and tomorrow it will be 500 or 600, and it doesn't matter. You trade, you get more money, but you basically cannot spend this money for something better. You know, so it will be interesting time. Okay, but for me, it's only accumulation. For me, proof of work is the best, one of the best between silver, gold, and proof of work. One of the best coins to stack. Okay, stack, guys. Not your financial advisor, but I'm giving you good strategies. Okay, like, subscribe, hit notification. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.